It has never been a more challenging time for Vancouver Islanders considering making a move. Is now the best time to sell? What improvements should you make before you move to market? Let alone navigating whether you buy before you sell or sell before you buy. Perhaps you've been approached by a friend or a family member who's pressuring you to list your home with them or to work with them, or maybe someone that wants to buy your home directly. The last thing you need right now is more pressure from others looking out for their best interests. 2021 has been an exceptional year for the John Cooper Group, and in an effort to give back to a community that has given us so much, we are offering anyone and everyone the opportunity for a comprehensive one-on-one consultation with myself, John Cooper. I've been providing guidance to Vancouver Island real estate owners for almost 15 years and have helped over 1,000 families navigate the market. And I personally work with all of our seller clients. This is your opportunity to get unrestricted access to my proven strategies and ask me anything you want about Vancouver Island real estate. I'll share my predictions for 2022 with you, and at the end of the consultation, you're going to have a detailed plan to get you from where you are now to wherever you and your family want to get you from here. Click the link below and I'll be in touch to coordinate a time and date that works for you. These consultations can be 5 minutes long to 2 hours long, whatever it takes to get you the plan that you need to move your family forward. This is how I'm planning on fulfilling my 2022 purpose, to help as many families as I can here on Vancouver Island, and I'd love it if you were one of them.